Hello friends, welcome to my channel Deepanita's Creativity. In this video I am going to show you all about Confederate Rose or Land Lotus. This is a color changing flowering plant. In the morning its color is white. At the noon, it's look pink. In the afternoon, it looks dark pink. Land Lotus requires full sunlight for blooming. So we should keep the pot where 5 to 6 hours sunlight can reach. Propagation. It propagates by a cutting. The cutting should be 6 to 8 inches long. Plant the cutting in the soil or sand any time of the year except winter. It can be grown in a pot or a grow bag easily. Then water. Place the pot in shade where indirect light or air can reach. After 3 months, root would form and could be transferred to a pot or grow bag. Transplantation. I planted this cutting 3 months ago. There are many roots. I am transplanting this in a small pot. Then water the plant. After transplantation, you should keep the pot in shade for 4 to 5 days. I have grown many plants by stem cuttings. Pest control. Mealybugs and whiteflies attack this plant very much. For this reason, we have to spray neem oil once in a week. This is the mother plant. After flowering, pruning is necessary so that many branches grow. Many branches means many flowers. At the tip of the branches, flowers will appear. When the land lotus is grown on the ground, they reach 10 to 12 feet. But in terrace, we should prune regularly to maintain its height about 5 to 6 feet. They flower 2 times in a year, autumn and spring. We should water the plant 2 times per day because they love water. We should fertilize the plant about 1 month before the flowering season. I give mustard cake liquid fertilizer, bone meal, banana peel liquid fertilizer and onion peel liquid fertilizer.